Weightlifting is often surrounded by common myths that can confuse and deter individuals from pursuing a strength training routine. The myth that lifting weights will make you bulky is prevalent, particularly among women. In reality, weightlifting is essential for building lean muscle mass and can lead to a slender, toned appearance. Muscle is more metabolically active than fat, meaning that incorporating resistance training into your exercise routine can enhance fat loss and result in a healthier body composition. Another misconception is the belief that weightlifting is only beneficial for young people. In truth, individuals of all ages can benefit from weight training. Older adults, in particular, can improve their bone density, enhance mobility, and strengthen their muscles through regular resistance training. Studies have shown that seniors engaging in weightlifting experience better overall health and an increased quality of life, breaking the belief that strength training is just for the youth. Additionally, many people think that lifting weights is unsafe, especially for beginners. However, when performed with proper form and under guidance, weightlifting is a highly safe and effective way to improve strength. Understanding the basics of proper technique can help prevent injuries and create a solid foundation for ongoing strength training. Working with a fitness coach or utilizing resources can provide novice lifters with the knowledge they need to lift confidently and safely. Many also believe that heavy weights are necessary to see results. While lifting heavier weights is one way to challenge your muscles, it is not the only method. Lighter weights with higher repetitions can be just as effective for building endurance and strength. Moreover, progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight or volume of training, is key to continued progress, regardless of the initial load. Lastly, the myth that cardio is superior for fat loss often overshadows the significance of weightlifting in a fitness regimen. While cardiovascular exercise is important for heart health, weightlifting contributes significantly to fat loss through increased metabolism. It is essential to combine both weightlifting and cardiovascular work for optimal results. By addressing these myths, individuals can embrace a well-rounded fitness philosophy and understand the true value of lifting weights. Ultimately, engaging in resistance training will lead to stronger bodies and improved health. Weightlifting is often surrounded by misconceptions that can deter individuals from embracing its numerous benefits. Myths about weightlifting abound, creating a cloud of confusion that can mislead both novices and seasoned lifters alike. One of the most prevalent myths is that lifting weights will make women bulky. In reality, the physiological differences in muscle growth between men and women make it quite challenging for women to achieve the same level of muscle mass as men. Instead of bulking up, women can build lean muscle, which leads to a toned and sculpted physique, boosting their metabolism and overall strength. Another common myth is that lifting weights is only for young individuals. Age should not be a barrier to weightlifting, as resistance training offers remarkable benefits for people of all ages. Seniors who engage in strength training can improve their balance, enhance bone density, and reduce the risk of injury. Fitness should be inclusive, inviting everyone to experience the empowerment that comes from lifting weights regardless of age. Many individuals believe that they should avoid strength training if they want to lose weight. This myth stems from the misconception that cardio is the sole way to shed pounds. In truth, combining strength training with cardio creates a more effective fat loss strategy. Lifting weights not only helps to burn calories during workouts, but also increases muscle mass, which leads to a higher resting metabolic rate. Therefore, incorporating weightlifting into a weight loss journey can accelerate fat loss and improve body composition. Another frequently heard myth is that lifting weights will harm your joints. On the contrary, when performed with proper form and technique, strength training can improve joint stability and function. It's crucial to consult a fitness professional when starting a new lifting program, as they can guide you on proper techniques and injury prevention. With sound knowledge and gradual progression, lifting weights can be a safe and beneficial activity. Finally, some believe that lifting weights doesn't provide cardiovascular benefits, but this is misleading. While weightlifting is not the same as running a marathon, it does elevate heart rate and can be an excellent component of a well-rounded fitness regimen. Circuit training or high-intensity interval training HIIT can intertwine weightlifting with cardiovascular conditioning, enhancing heart health. By debunking these common weightlifting myths, we can encourage more people to embrace strength training and experience the transformative effects it can bring to their fitness journeys. Empowerment through knowledge is key in breaking down barriers and misconceptions about the wonderful world of weightlifting.